This is the residence of the President of the Republic of Somalia. The Republic's President is Aden Abdullah Osman. The head of the young African nation firmly resolved to strengthen its independence in every possible way and develop its national economy and culture. Somalia adheres to the policy of neutrality, peaceful coexistence, disarmament. It does not permit foreign war bases on its territory and declares its desire to live in friendship with all the peoples of the world.
We know and we will remember what Soviet Union is doing to the Somali people in giving so many scholarship facilitation and immense great help in giving up some credit in financing some projects which nearby to be realized.